Crystal, what's been going on?
So we are here in the Apple store in City Creek.
In Salt Lake.
Salt Lake, yeah. And we wanted to take the kids to get the lights, or to see the lights. And my phone's also had some issues, so we thought we'd come here. And we got on the road, finally, you know, and got a flat tire. And there was like no shoulder on the road. So, but we made it, and honestly, everything's fine, truly, like it really is. We're tired, but we're blessed, and let's have fun tonight with the lights. So I got my phone fixed, yay! And we are finally going to go and eat. Our kids are starving and tired. Can you guys say hi? It's beautiful here though. Elizabeth, all that she's wanted since we've gotten here is ice cream. I'm pretty sure she saw a child that had an ice cream cone, so yes, now we're out in the cold, wonderful Salt Lake air. Wish us luck again. Because I guess our food, it's been a half hour, but there's no tables. So we're just gonna go, and I'm pretty sure Joan has passed out in her brother's arms. Yes. Woot. Why do we do this?
It's crazy in here. We're getting dinner. It's crazy in here.
Crazy everywhere.
This place is crazy.
We're here.
No, give me that. Give me that. You gotta get a good angle of her. She is done, done, baby. And what about you?
What about me?
Are you done?
Well, we didn't vlog the part where I was with the kids for like an hour at least.
Yeah.
In the kids section where they have toys everywhere, or not toys, but they were climbing on stuff. And I'm claustrophobic a little bit, and germs, and yeah.
Thankfully, we were able to go to the family bathroom afterwards, so that was. And we're saying to each other, why don't we have a family bathroom at home?
Well, we basically do.
Yeah.
So we've got our food. It is quiet. We are eating.
Happy people, quiet table.
Happy people, yes.
Yes.
Oh, children. It's out in the cold. Have fun with the lights? What was your favorite?
I like golden yellow.
Golden yellow.
I like pink.
You like pink? Daddy, what about you?
I like the blue and green.
I just love the blue and green too. They're
Blue and green,
so
very
classic. Anyway, it was nippy, but it could have actually been chillier, like really.
It wasn't too bad.
I was cold. The kids
I was
were
more
cold.
concerned with my arm as I was dragging that wagon. That arm was like...
Anyway, we had a good time. you know what? It's been a crazy, crazy day, but we're together as a family, and that's really what's important. So, love all of our people, huh?
We're alive.
We made it.
We're okay. We're not dead.
Yeah, honestly,
We thought we were gonna die.
the flat tire. Oh, and here's Dylan. The flat tire, I feel like, honestly, even though it made it for a stressful day, we needed it just for certain things I feel like that were going on with our little family. It just felt like, what would you call it?
Okay, here's the thing. Today, the Light the World is about serving a family member.
Oh.
And so that kind of worked out because I feel like we definitely helped each other with that whole flat tire incident. You watched the kids while I ran to get it replaced. And that was horrible for her.
No, it was just hard. But
No, it was bad. It's okay.
Anyway.
But we're back home now. I know our vlogs haven't been the funnest lately, but we're trying to make more. We also have the cutest little baby. Mwah.
Who is like spitting up? Oh,
Spitting up and hiccuping. Welcome to our life. It's the best. And now she's kicking me in the gut. So I think we're going to end this vlog now. Any other thoughts?
Do good things for people, including people in your family. But tonight we were at the mall and my little girl, our little girl, was complaining because her shoe had come off. And I didn't even realize her shoe had come off. I wasn't trying to be neglectful. I just didn't realize it. And this lady just bent down and picked it up. And was like, okay. And she had her own kids and she was just bent down and picked up her shoe and put it on. And I was like worried, like, oh, I could be offended by this. I could be really upset that this lady's doing this for my girl. And I was like, you know what? Just gonna take a deep breath. And I'm like, thank you so much. She's like, yeah. Anyway, so do something good for somebody, whether that's people in your family or just a simple stranger.
Well, honestly, like that one lady at the Apple store that was chatting with us about the wagon. Remember that?
Oh, yeah.
It was just kind of, I mean, like, she didn't really do anything for us, but it was kind of nice having her...
connect with people more.
Yeah, we just talked to her a bunch. Because she was asking us about our wagon, where we got it. And then we ran into her again on 2 different elevators. So it was just kind of fun running into her and just being nice to her and having her be nice to us. She was really sweet. So...
She's putting up the white flag, she says.
She says, it's time to surrender. So with that, I think it's a good time to stop. And we'll see you next time.
Bye. Oh my goodness, what is that noise?